Hey everyone, welcome back to TV Fix, your channel for smart solutions and tech tips. Today, we're starting a new tutorial. How to perform the first-time installation Bush TV UK. Press Home button on remote. Scroll to Settings, then scroll along to Installation. Press OK. Scroll to First Time Installation and press OK. Confirm you want to delete all channels and settings by selecting Yes and press OK. Scroll to the required language and press OK. Select your country and press OK. Select Home Mode and press the OK button. Select which picture mode you would like to use and press OK. Select Accept All and press OK. Scroll to Next. Read through the manufacturer's terms and conditions for Freeview Play. Select Yes and press OK. You will need to accept these terms and conditions to use any of the Freeview Play features. Select your broadcast type and press OK. Once the channel scan is complete, scroll down to Primary Region. Scroll along to your primary region. Scroll along to your secondary region. Scroll down to Save and press OK. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching TV Fix.